If this man has these psycho tendencies, like what would have happened if I had gone to look at it, and even like gone to look at it by myself, you know? He probably would have taken me away or something, I don't know. When a psycho man put an ad in the paper to get my attention. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Marsha if you're new, and before we get into this vlog, just a quick little reminder that if you're not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below and turn on your notifications so you can know when I upload another video. So guys, I'm just literally hanging out in my backyard. There's nothing much to do. Today is Saturday, and there's nothing much to do. So I have makeup and stuff on because I was filming a video. Yes, so that's why I was doing a hair tutorial video. That video is gonna be up before this one, so if you're interested you can watch it. It's just morning curly hair morning and nighttime routine where I just quickly show what I do with my hair at night before I go to sleep, and what I do in the morning to revive my curls. So yeah, so definitely check that out. It's gonna be linked below this video. So oh my gosh guys, my neighborhood is so noisy. Like since the quarantine it's been quiet, but all of a sudden, as soon as I get this idea of okay, I'm just gonna sit outside and talk to the vlog, all of a sudden music I play. Like what the heck? Okay guys, so I actually paused a while ago to check this footage to make sure that the sound quality is not too bad, because in my last vlog I uploaded the sound quality wasn't really that good, and I'm trying to improve the quality of my videos. I'm obviously filming on my phone, but not to worry guys, we soon reach camera status. I just need you guys support and I'm sure we'll get there. So in this video actually I am going to do a story time. So guys, this story time, I tell you, it is epic, okay? Yeah, so this is something that happened to me. Oh my gosh guys, I should have checked my messages and stuff to be able to tell you specific details of this story. But let's see if I can remember it well. Okay, so this happened, was it last year or this year? If it wasn't the end of last year, it's the beginning of this year that this all happened. Okay, so I was in the process of trying to find a place, to find a new apartment to move to, right? So of course I looked in the Gleaner, and I found quite a few places that I thought could have some potential. So I wrote down all the numbers and I was calling the numbers one by one. So this was, usually you look in the Sunday Gleaner to find these places for rent, and then you go and look at them and stuff. But that Sunday I found quite a few places, and then that Sunday I didn't get to go and look at all of them, so I had a couple of them left that I needed to call to get more details about, or to see when I could go and look at them. So this particular one, I was at work and I called the number. So when I called the number, an older gentleman answered. I could tell from his voice that he was an older gentleman. So he answered and he said, "What's up?" So he didn't say hello, he didn't say good afternoon, he didn't say anything. He just answered and said what's up. So immediately I was like, this man don't have any manners. But anyway, I was really like how I am. I have this mentality where like if I want something, I'm going to do every single thing to get it. And I was really interested in looking at the place. So I was like, okay, let me give him the benefit of the doubt and WhatsApp him. Okay, so I sent him a message on WhatsApp. Sent the man a message on WhatsApp saying, hello, do you still have the apartment for rent? He did not say good morning, didn't say good afternoon, he didn't greet me in any way. He just sent me he just said, what is your occupation and how many persons do you live with? So of course at this point now I'm like, no man, this man really does not have any manners. So I don't know what got me to continue responding to him. But anyway, when he asked, I sent my profession. Well, I sent land surveyor. I did land surveying. I did like kind of a double major, land surveying and GIS. I work in GIS now. I no longer do land surveying, but because most people don't know what GIS is, I usually just default to land surveying because it's more popular and everybody knows. Okay, so sent him, responded and said land surveying, told him how many people I live with and all of that stuff. So once I said that, he immediately, like, he did not even remember that I was asking about an apartment. He was like, oh, you're the land surveying, and he immediately sent me this diagram and asked if I can draw he sent me the diagram and literally said, can you draw this? Okay, I might insert the WhatsApp conversation in this video so you guys can see how it was going. So I said yes, I can draw it. But by then I had asked what's the location for the apartment, and he told me, like, if you come from Jamaica or live in Kingston, you would know. So he told me intersection of like Waltham Park and some other road. So immediately I was like, no, like, I'm no longer interested, because Waltham Park, really? So not that I'm being discriminatory or anything, you guys, but I'm not from Kingston. I'm a country girl, and like, no, I'm not gonna live off Waltham Park Road, okay? So I'm afraid. So immediately I was not interested in the apartment anymore. So I was like, okay, thank you. But the man continued to text. So no, he was just concerned about the survey and blah blah blah, asking me if I could draw the diagram and all this and all of that. Anyway, I told him yes, and he should send me some more information about the property and whatever. So I think I was on my way home that evening and he called me. Okay, call and answer. But he was very pushy when he called and he was talking to me about it. So I was like, I'm on my way home now. When I get home, I look at what you sent me and all of that. Anyway, when I got home, getting more down into the matter, I realized that, okay, basically, if you don't know about surveying, okay, he had sent me a subdivision plan, but the plan was just somebody kind of doing a sketch thing. The land wasn't actually surveyed, but he wanted me to recreate the plan that the person had done and submit it for subdivision approval, which didn't make any sense, could not be done. So I told him, no, I'm not interested, I'm not gonna do it, because basically he wanted me to commit fraud. So I was like, no dear, no thank you, I'm not going to jeopardize my future for you. But he was so pushy. The man was calling me like 11 o'clock in the night and stuff. Anyway, I told him that no, I'm not gonna do it. So so that was that in my mind. So anyway, I thought that was that, and then he kept contacting me on WhatsApp. So like over probably a month, occasionally he would be like, hi, hello, Marsha, blah blah blah, and I didn't answer. I just ignored all the messages because at the time when he was telling me about the diary, he's like, oh, just recreate it, and I know how to get it through, and I have friends, and blah blah blah. So anyway, I told, oh my gosh guys, my hand is getting tired from holding this. So yeah, I told him, long and short, I told him no, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, so I kind of just ignored whenever he tried to contact me on WhatsApp and stuff. So fast forward like sorry, probably like 2 months after this initial thing. Sorry guys. Fast forward, I want to say like 2 months after I initially spoke to this man. One day I was at work, and the man, one day I was at work eating lunch, I remember so clearly, and I got a text message from a girl. I got a text message or WhatsApp, one of them, and the person said, hi, I'm contacting you in relation to the position you advertised, like either secretary position or something. I'm gonna insert the WhatsApp messages so you can see, okay? So yeah, but anyway guys, you're not gonna be understanding the story at this point, so just keep on listening, okay? So he's the it was a female, and she said she's contacting me in regards to the position that was advertised in the Gleaner. So I was like, I was so lost. So I think I said you have the wrong number or something, because I didn't advertise a position. So she said yes, it's in the Gleaner, and she spoke to a man, and he said that that she should call me, or she should get in contact with me. So the man gave her my number and said she should get in contact with me. So I was like, yeah, it was a call. She actually called, right? And said she should get in contact with me. So I was like, you have the wrong number, basically. That's what I told her, right? So then I continued eating my lunch because I thought it was just a wrong number that called me. A few minutes later, I get a WhatsApp message from the same girl saying, and when I opened it, I saw the same diagram that the man had sent to me previously. And the girl said, I just called you a while ago, and I spoke back to the gentleman, and he said that I should send this to you, right? So basically the man, so if you're not following now guys, let me tell you. So the man, he put an ad in the Gleaner to get somebody to contact him in regards to the position that he advertised. Like it was some secretary or something like that. I don't know what the position was. The girl even sent me the picture of the ad in the Gleaner, and basically what he was doing was trying to get in contact with me, or get me to pay attention to him. So he put the fake ad in the Gleaner, and expecting that people are going to be interested in the position, and then as soon as the person contacted him about the supposed job, which doesn't exist, he then gives them my number to try to get in contact with me. So as soon as I saw the diagram, I knew who it was. So I said to the girl, that man is a psycho. That man is crazy. He doesn't have any job advertising. He's just trying to get in contact with me, basically, or get me to pay attention to him. I don't know. It was just such a bizarre and weird thing to me. So of course the girl is like, well, you know, this is she was upset because she was like, why would someone be doing that? That is so weird, and you know, and she was like, you know, she apologized. She apologized. She said she was sorry and stuff, and you know, she was just as lost as me in the whole situation. So basically this man, he was just trying to use someone to get the, like, it was so weird and bizarre to me. Like, why would you go through so much trouble? I mean, you have to leave your yard, go a gleaner, go create ad in the newspaper, just create a fake ad in the newspaper just to get someone else to speak to me. Like, it was just the weirdest thing in the world to me. Anyway, immediately I contacted him and I was like, leave me the F alone, like, you're a friggin' psycho. You know, and I was telling some people about it. At the time I ended up even like, I took down my picture and changed my name on Facebook and stuff, because it just felt so weird to me. Like, it just felt like, why would you go through so much lengths? I'm not the only surveyor in the world, I'm not the only surveyor in Jamaica. I'm sure you can get somebody else. I mean, it's just a simple Google search to get a surveyor to do your diagram. Like, why are you so obsessed with me doing this thing for you? And why are you going to do so much to get someone to you know, to get someone to contact me, and get a complete stranger, by the way? It was just so weird to me. I honestly felt a bit scared, you guys, because I was like, you know, it felt like this man was obsessed. It felt like he was obsessed with me or something. Like, why I do all of that for, sir? Anyway, of course I told him off that day, and he never contacted me after that, and thank God he didn't, because I honestly was thinking about like reporting it to the police and stuff, because the man was really weird. And so I'm actually happy that that apartment was somewhere where I didn't you know, give like a second thought to going and actually looking at it. Because I'm saying, if this man is so kind of, if this man has these psycho tendencies, like, what would have happened if I had gone to look at it, and even like gone to look at it by myself? You know, he probably would have taken me away or something. I don't know. Like, I don't know why people are so psycho. So anyway, guys, that is my little story about when a psycho man put an ad in the paper to get my attention. So that's the end of this little story time. I don't really have a very crazy interesting life, so like, that is the extent of crazy things that have happened to me. But yeah, I thought I would tell that little story. So as I said, today is Saturday. I'm not sure, I don't think I'll be doing anything else today, or vlogging anything else, I should say. That's gonna be it, guys, for this little vlog. I think after this I'm gonna wash my daughter's hair. I might document that, so, but don't hold me to it, because where I live now is not very conducive to vlogging. It's and I don't get good video quality inside, and the last thing I want to be doing is just putting out crappy quality content. So, but I'm planning on moving soon, so that should improve. And also I'm planning on getting a better phone, so that should improve, so my video quality can improve as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.